Alright, so finally grass is in the market and everyone will be happy and may not be happy with the airdrop amount they get into their wallet. So now in this video, I will be revealing the giveaway, like how I will be distributing and what amount that I will be distributing in this airdrop. But this is not a good news actually, because I have sold all the grass allocation. So my allocation was 437. As you can see, my wallet is eligible and this was the wallet. You can also verify this wallet through my previous YouTube video. And if I check the eligibility, it is saying 437.36. And I have sold all these grass tokens at the price of 0.66, and which was equivalent to 289.84 USDT, which is 290 USDT. So now in this video, I will be distributing all the 290 USDT to the people, to the community. So this is 100% distribution to all the people. I know this is very less, but this is ultimately like luck or whatever you say. I was expecting the airdrop amount will be 5,000 around, but now I have just 290 USDT to distribute in the community. So how I will be distributing this airdrop to the community will be in this format. So this is the format and I will be distributing to the 15 people. So 15 people, out of which I will distribute 2 people from the Telegram community specific and 13 from the YouTube community. So basically 2 from the Telegram community and rest of from the YouTube community. So what you have to do is just paste your address to this video. I know this is very ridiculous task to post your address into the every video, but I think it is better to see how many people are actually active right now. So just post your address and I will choose random wallet addresses to distribute, means 13 wallet address from the YouTube video, this video, and 2 wallet address from the community. But you don't need to post your wallet address into the Telegram community because I know who are the most active users on the Telegram community. So I will ask the wallet address from them directly and I will send them this much USDT, which is 30 and 20. And rest of this will be distributed among the wallet addresses which are posted into this YouTube video into the comment section. So this is about the reward. This is about the giveaway. But I think there is a speculation, which is like next update about the airdrop 2. I think grass has the airdrop 2 also. You can see the epoch 1 is running and right now I have 2.25 million rewards and now it is like 5 days has gone. So I think they have airdrop 2. So, but I'm not very excited with this grass airdrop. So if you want to farm this grass airdrop again for the airdrop 2, then you can continue, but I'm not interested into it. Second thing is the price action. I'm not very bullish on grass. Right now, as you can see, the market cap of grass is around 400 million with the FDV of 1.6 billion and which has touched around 2 billion, I guess. I'm not very bullish on grass. So I'm not into the favor of like going into 10x and 20x with the grass, but let's see where the market goes. So this is about the price update. And second thing about the grass vesting. So what's happening with the grass is it's actually tokenomics of the grass is very good. As you can see, the whole price is 1.56. And if you scroll a bit down, you can see early investors has 25%, which is very high. Foundation and ecosystem growth, which is 22.8%, around 22.8%, which is fair. Contributors 22%. This is very good. Future incentives 17%, airdrop 1 which is 10%, and router rewards which is 3%. So this is something I'm not in favor of, but let's see. So this is the vesting schedule, and in this you can see early investors has a cliff of 1 year, foundation and ecosystem 1 year, contributors 3 years. So 3 years, okay, foundation also. So that means for the next, at least next 1 year, there is no major unlocks. What is there? So this is 100% vested. So router reward is done, 3% is done. Airdrop 1, which is 10%, is done. So total 13% is done and already into the market. And from the 17%, which is future incentives, which is 170 million tokens, which is 6% of the total. So this is not total. This is basically how much is unlocked till now. I think, let me see this. The share of the total supply unlocked during the token generation event. Okay, so on the 28th of October, 6% is unlocked. So unlocked is 6.5% and total out 93% is locked. So this is the curve, and this is the only thing which is coming into the market as a supply for the next 1 year, which has impact on this run. So I think tokenomics is great, but I'm not very bullish on the price action on the project as a project. So I'm not very bullish on it, but let's see where it goes. So I think I have summarized everything into this very quick video about the grass. So one thing is reward. So this is the reward structure that I will be distributing. And this is unfortunate scene that I have sold out all my grass allocation. And this is about airdrop 2, which I believe airdrop 2 will be there. And third, which is the tokenomics investing schedule. And this, like how many tokens I have received and the price action. So 2 billion is very high. 2 billion is very high for me. Let's see where it goes. See you into the next video. Thank you.